Now, dun dun dun, comes the main part, which is literally the part where you need to dig. The whole reason of the whole thing. It's called digger for that exact reason. Anyway, what we need to do is we're going to add a cube. We're going to put it up like this. And what we're going to do, this is going to need a lot of details, so I'm just going to push it up like this. So what we are going to do, the strategy in this situation is we're going to move it up like this. And we are going to add a cylinder, just like this. We're going to move it up. We're going up, and we're going to give it a shade auto smooth. We're going to press R, X, 90, enter, dun 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 dun. Now we go into this view, we edit it in a way that it works, it looks good, and yeah. Anyway, this is good, so I'm gonna just like line it up with that, like that, and line it up with that. So just like that. So then we have this, and now we do Shift D, we move it over, and we do exactly the same thing over here. And yeah, sorry, glitched a little. And yeah, just like this. And then what we press do, we go Shift D, go we select this, this, and then this. So we go Command G, just like this, and we shade auto smooth, so it does not look any weird, suspiciously. Now what we do, click both these faces, and we press S to scale. That did not work either. So we click here as well, and we click here, and we click here, and we click here. Yeah, so we want to make sure everything is selected like this, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, like this as well. Now what we do, we press S to scale, except for this guy over here. Just gotta make sure this guy in here isn't selected, of course, because otherwise it won't work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the trick of my mind. So we're gonna like move ourselves out like this. So then you got more Pacific. S to scale, S like that. But that's weird because it, let me do this. For some reason it still scales that. So Command Z. What we need to do, we need to go this. We need to go select A. Command J. Command G. So we want to dissolve. Command Z. No, it doesn't make a difference. I'm just trying to think, how are we going to shade smooth? Get out. I'm just trying to think, because we need to make it in a way that it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. That is how I wanted to do it. I was just trying to think, how am I going to do it? Now I thought of it. I had the strat of G. I press C again. We collect all this. So yeah, just like this. And now we press S to scale, which does this weird stuff. Anyway, we do S. We do Shift Z. No, Shift X. Not like this either. No, you should need it. We need to do press S, Shift Z. That's that way. So it's S, Shift Y, like that, and then we scale it upwards. Problem is it's not selected here. So, oh dang it. Okay, let me select all of this here. Otherwise it does simply not work. Okay, just like this. Sorry guys, it's getting hard and harder. Of course, it gets harder and harder as we go along. Now I have to unselect all of this stuff that we do not need selected, and then we press S, Shift Y, And yes, here we go, guys. We've done it. Done. Okay, this is what I wanted. So it has a bit of a larger one on the other side and one larger on the other side. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this a bit thinner. I'm going to click on this. Going to click on this mode, and we're going to click on this face, this face, this face, and this face. We're going to click on this guy, going to assign this, click A, unselect this face, this face, this face, and this face, and we're going to click add. We're going to click this, we're going to click that, and make this darker so it's more like this. Some color, done, and yep. Of course, it looks a bit weird, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move these faces in a little bit. See this one here? It's in the way. Out of the way. Now it looks good. Now it looks great. Now it looks amazing. Okay. Now what we do, we press not C. Sorry, stupid me. We don't click this either. We go on here, edit, and we edit this bit. Why does it do that so weird? Like, what the hell? And we ask to scale it down. It's like E, U. Okay, that did not work like how I planned for it to work, but you know what? Screw it. Screw it. Screw it. What we're gonna do? We are going to click on all of these guys. So we're going to click on this mode, we are going to press C, we're going to select everything, we're going to go here, wrong way around, so we're going to here, we're going to select all of these, dun, dun, dun. We're going to go here, like this, and we're going to select all of these, just like this. Now I press ES, so it goes like this, like, we want it to be, damn. S to scale, if we scale this up here, oh god, this is like minimal movement. Yeah, like that. And then we extrude all of these guys a little bit without these guys, this guy, this, and no, this guy, no, this guy. Okay, now what we do, we press ES, so we extrude it outwards a little bit. Just like this, so just easy peasy, doesn't have to be too complicated. No, I don't want it to be caps lock. So why is caps lock on? Anyway, so what I'm going to do, can click on this face here. And yeah, we're going to assign this color here. Just like that, so it doesn't show as much. So now we have this part. Now what I want to do, okay, we're gonna go here, we're going to click on here, we're going to click on here, and click here, tab to go edit mode, and we're going to click on this guy without this guy and this guy. Here's all this, and we're going to click all this, we're going to click this off, 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 off. So it's just this guy here selected. So so you still select some stuff. It's not selected. Select this stuff here like that, and we're gonna click all off this stuff. And yeah, now it looks okay. And we're gonna click on that one as well. Just for fun, and we're gonna press. Where else is it selected? I'm going to press Shift D, and we're going to move it. I'm going to press G and move it. Oh crap, no, that's not where I wanted it. Okay, do not want this guy selected with it, of course. Dang it. God damn it. G, move it up. So yeah, we've got this guy, we're going to scale it upwards. Like this, and now we're going to right click, unsubdivide, oh wait no, press Command Z because that was not good. We're going to split it, now it should be a different object, oh yeah, Yeah, it is. Wait, this is, no, it's still the same object. Actually, really bad idea, guys. Just screw it. We're not doing that. I thought we could make like little screws around here, but you know what? We don't need it. Don't need to select all that stuff. Click on here now, and since we have got that, we're just going to click on this guy, and we're going to press, and same on this guy, and yeah, we're going to go, yeah, I'm going to go, yeah, like this, and like, wait, no, Command Z, we're going to do it like this, then we're going to press ES, and we're going to extrude it inwards a bit, just like that, and then we're going to click on one of them, we're going to press E to extrude it inwards, and then press this, extrude it outwards, same here, and extrude it this, wait, no, go extrude it inwards, and we're gonna extrude it, extrude it inwards, God, this is getting hard, you know, extrude it outwards, probably thinking my hands and my arms are aching, well, yeah, the answer to that is, they are. Damn, I can do it there. Let's click on this. Wait, no, I do not want to click on this guy here. Wait, just click these guys, not this guy here. This guy does not look good. Yeah, and then let's click this guy, assign it to them, and then let's go here. Select this guy and select this, and then select it like this. This looks good. I find it looks great. So anyway, we need to continue. And I have to continue. I have to do this. I am not lazy. I can do this. I know what I am doing, so I am not finishing it. So I'm gonna extrude it outwards a little bit, just a tiny bit. Move it down like this, and we go. So yeah, like this. Going to extrude. Wait, we should actually I have an idea. If we click this, move it up again, we're going to click on something called a cylinder. We're going to select it up here and move it in here. Scale it down really small, and then we're going to align it up with this guy here, just like this. So that should be where it is. So, and then we click on this guy, and yeah, we have it to make sure it is mainly selected on this guy here. You click this guy, you Command J, and yes, you have to shape auto smooth, and yes. Then we have got this. It is very smart what I am doing. This makes much sense, like lots of sense. And then we press it, rotate, and then it rotates it like this. It's kind of awesome. And then we're going to Shift D. We're going to rotate it, move it upwards, move it that way, and we're going to scale it down a little bit, just a little tiny bit. To make a difference, just because we need to make it look realistic like that. Because look, now if we press R, wait, no, Y, and we go like use the arm that does everything. It actually kind of works. Like, I like this. It's awesome. So, yeah, now we have to add the little details such as the actual thing that's in there. A digger only has 2, of course. So, yeah. Gonna click on this guy. We're gonna press R to rotate. No, we're not. And just click on this guy. Gonna click on this, and we're just gonna separately click on this. Wait, don't click on this. We're gonna click on this. This doesn't work. Anyway, so digger doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to press here. We're going to press here just like this, because otherwise it doesn't look good. And yeah, something I forgot to do. I'm gonna do this. We're going to extrude it inwards, just like that. We're going to click the same here, do this, and we're going to extrude it inwards. Same here. We're going to click off this, click on this, click on this, click on this. I forgot to do that completely, and extrude it inwards, inside there, and then we click on this side. Keep on clicking caps lock, dang it. Inwards like that. And then we have got, no, I don't want to do that. I didn't want to do tab, get out of it. And yeah. Anyway, so now we got to do the main part of the digger, which I always say the main part. Everything's the main part. Like, it wouldn't work without one of them. Anyway, so we need to click on here. We're going to click on cylinder like this, and we're going to press R, X, 90, enter. And yes, you already probably know what I am trying to do here. I have to make this thing that actually picks up all the dirt. So I'm gonna do this, move it outwards, move it that way. And what the plan is here is that we are going to shift D. Well, actually no, we're actually not going to do that yet. We have to click here, and we have to move it like this a bit, and like this a bit, like that, just a bit, so it has a bit of a difference, not all the same. And then what we do, we go into tab to edit mode, and we're going to click on this button here too, so we can select these 4 faces, just click them like this. So yeah, how I did that, I clicked on here, and then it comes up with this line, and you have to just click, not the ones where it does it like this, not like this, but this, and just do that in between. Now what we're going to do, we're going to change it back to move, and then what we are going to do, we're going to press tab to edit mode, and then what we are going to do, we are going to click on this one, or we're going to go onto face select, we're going to click on this guy, and we're going to click on all of this stuff, so like this, and we're going to click on this, we're going to click on this, 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 and yeah, and like this, and we are going to press E to extrude inwards. Well, actually, no, we're not going to, don't do that, whatever you do, just don't do what I just did. That was wrong, that was not what I wanted to do, so I want to move it out like this, and press X to delete faces, and then yes, we have this, but of course we need to do something else. So what we need to do now is we need to click here, we need to click here, and we're going to have to try and do a loop cut in between here. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on this knife one here where you can do whatever you want. Click on this, and we're going to look, well, first of all, from where we are looking, like this guy here, till down here, to like here, let's say like down there. So like this, not that way, like this, like that way. We're going to click here, then we're going to click here, like that, just like that. And now we're going to go here, click here, and we're going to click the same place is there, just like that. And now we're going to right click and press enter, then we're going to click here, and we're done. So now we select all of this, and now we're going to press X to delete faces, and now we're going to delete these faces as well. So X, not that, not the, yeah, this as well, and this, of course, all this stuff. No, I don't want any of these other ones. So like this, select all these faces, like this one as well, and all of this one as well, that one over here, try and select it, and yeah, press X to delete faces, click all of these here like this, not this one, if I delete that one it's kind of over, and no, I don't want to click, come on Z, God, the reason I did that now is because I decided I should just delete all that, so faces, and here all the faces as well, all of the stuff that we don't need anymore for exactly the reason that you know, because it's not useful on our digger, doesn't look good, doesn't feel good. Anyway, E to extrude, we're gonna just move this guy out, we're gonna press on here at the top, we're gonna select these guys, and we're gonna click here, and we're going to click on here like that, and then we're gonna click on here and here on these top ones, and shifty, well not actually shifty, don't shifty, sorry, that's my problem. Then we press extrude to press E, and then we press S to scale inwards, so like this, and we're gonna move it inwards like this, and like this, and now we've got the actual thing. Now what we're going to do, click on that, add this, shade auto smooth, and then we have got this. Now we're going to click on this, click here, and we're going to click on all the ones in between, which is this one, not this one. Okay, that was wrong calculated, X faces. So yeah, like this, and we can delete, yeah, like that. So that's good enough. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to go back here and click on this loop cut and this one, and then we're going to click that out of that, click on the faces, click on that, and then we're going to click on this one here, these four, not the edges, we want lines, we want the faces. So this and just this. So actually click off it in case it clicks something else. Then press X to delete faces, just like this. So yeah, it doesn't have to look too exact, of course, but yeah. Now my next step is we have to click on edge select like this, and now we're gonna click on this, 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 this. Not that one, not that one. This one. This, and now we're going to move it down a little bit so it's a bit more straight. Same for this one, we're going to click on all of these here, not that one, not that one, yeah, that one, no, not these two guys here, not these, and then yeah, that one. What we're going to do, we're going to move it down a bit, going to like move it like this, so yeah, just like that, so it looks like this. This is good, because now what we want to do is going to do a similar thing to what we did before. We are going to click on add, we're going to add a little cube. Difference is, yeah, it's a cube, not anything else. We're going to scale it down a lot, just so it's like this. Gonna move it into here, gonna move it into here, so like this, so it like moves on that axis. Let me go X, so I'm a bit more exact where it is, so like there, in the middle, like that, yeah. Now let me look here, so like that, and then we click here. We want to have this first selected, and then we're going to click out of this one. Okay, so click on this one. We look inside of it. We click that one. Then we do Command J, join it. And now if we press rotate on here, we see it does exactly like I wanted it to do. Exactly what I wanted it to do. Yeah, ish. So we can move like this, move like this. So keep it like this. And yes, so what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna scale it down a little bit on these sides. just so it looks a bit more realistic. It's because usually diggers have a bit more of a thinner. Some of them are like this, some of them are, I'm just saying some are like this, and then we click on this, because then they're for like picking up heavy loads, like big amounts, because they just dig up like big amounts. So, but I want to do a traditional digger, so we're gonna scale it down to like here. We want it still to be big, not too big though. So anyway guys, now what I want to do, I want to select A to select everything. I'm going to right click and we're going to click Shade Auto Smooth. Why? Because it might change certain things in this place, and it did change a couple things, and it will make it look good. Shade Auto Smooth is very, very good on all of it, on everything here. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video.